use the ARB onboard compressor to inflate the tires. And two things you need is the ARB digital tire inflator and the pump tire kit. So that's a pump up kit. This just allows you to get from the compressor to the tires. So if you look at the TFP mirror system inside, they are about 2-3 psi below where they need to be. So the first step is to connect the male and the female. Should snap in, and then this goes into the compressor. Plugs into, again, the male and the female. And then there's a switch to power on the compressor right here. Ready to go. So that's 38.5. I want it to 39. Is good. I'll just leave it at 40, but if you wanted to reduce it, you could use this side button and take it down to 40. So that's 37. So I'll take this down to 39. That's 39. The reason is that has a slow leak. So I'll leave it at 40 because it has a slow leak until I can repair it tomorrow. So just to give you a bit of background, that compressor is connected to the auxiliary, the second battery. It runs through this cord, and that's what powers that compressor. The main battery is not, to avoid draining the main battery. So that's 36. $38, $39. Careful when you're running that, just make sure it doesn't go through the fan belt. And we're going to get this to 39 as well. $36.5. $39. And then before you disconnect it, you've got to release the pressure. So first step, switch it off. If you try and plug this, it's going to be really hard to do. So release the pressure first. Now you can unplug it. Push this in, release, and put back the dust cover. Store it again, release, push this back, and you're good to go. That is a quick tutorial on using the ARB onboard air compressor. stocked up, ready to go for another day. That's how you get yourself out of trouble. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.